Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to fix camera issue on iOS 26 using iPhone 13 Pro Max. If your camera shows a black screen, won't open, freezes or crashes, follow these steps. First, swipe up from the bottom and pause the app. Find the camera app and swipe it up to close it completely. Now reopen the camera app and check it for works. Press and hold the slide button and volume button together. Slide to power off. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This clears temporary bugs that can stop the camera from working. Open settings, scroll down and tap privacy and settings. Tap camera. Make sure the camera app and apps like Instagram or Snapchat are allowed to use the camera. If permissions are off, the camera may not open. Go to settings, tap on general, tap iPhone storage, make sure you have enough free space. Low storage can prevent photos or videos from being captured. Delete unused app, photo or video if needed. Now go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If any update is available, install it. Updates often fix camera bugs and improve performance. If still camera doesn't work, go to general, tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, then choose reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi and permissions. That's it. Now you have learned how to fix camera not working issues. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.